that's that log you were talking about.
He's up by that cedar behind the open fence. Make it to that tree.
If we can get to there, we can shoot that ridge, I think. That's all he's doing is he's just gobbling, going back and forth.
Yeah, I've been watching him for like 20 minutes and he's back and forth, back and forth.
Well, if we can't see him here, we gotta be able to have this knob on him.
Right.
Let's just shoot straight to that. As soon as it starts to open up, drop down.
Yeah. I'll stay back.
Yeah, in case we gotta call him back. That creek's right there, ain't it?
The creek's there. But be easy.
He's definitely gotta be over this hill.
I think we can get to these little clump of trees right here in front of us.
Yeah. Oh, I see him, I see him, I see him, I see him. He's way up there by that cedar bush. Here he comes. He's coming down. See if he'll come across first.
Oh my God.
I didn't think it. Gosh dang it.
I don't know.
I mean, in range, 100%.
I questioned it first, but looking at it now, yeah.
You just sitting right there by them bushes.
Yeah.
It's just right there. It ain't that far. 45 max.
I don't understand why he ain't come up here in the first place, but I guess that sucker came down, went back up, and then I was like, if he comes back down, I'm going to shoot him. Of course, then I lost him. I was like, he's going to come across.
Coming up, I thought he was going to walk right here.
Yeah.
He has been right here all morning.
But it's like the creek. It's like you get to the creek
Yeah.
and then go back up. Like you just didn't want to
He
cross
almost
it.
got to cross it.
I mean, this is right where we crossed to go to him the first time. Then we
went
ended
full
up,
circles for full circle. We should have just sat down.
been on this daggum bird since
Roost.
5:45 this morning. It's 11:35, and I just straight up whipped him.
It happens.
You can't miss him. He's on the
Naked limb.
Oh yeah, 100%.
But he's
Wide open.
He's over the field. He's gonna pitch in.
Hey, hoot one time. Make him holler. I'm gonna make sure.
There's two. Was that him?
Yeah. That was two long gobbles.
That wasn't him
That-
in the
That
tree.
wasn't him that gobbled there, but that was two different
Seems like
turkeys
he's
gobbled.
right behind them.
It might have been him above
I
him.
think they're gonna pitch in the side hill.
That's 100% a turkey in that
Oh,
dead
yeah.
tree. I mean, there's no
There's
doubt.
one sitting on the top of the limb, that same limb up high.
Oh, okay.
Shoot him again.
Things turning, boy. Things turning here in Alabama. Full moon, that's what it is. He's a little deeper.
I'm looking, he's on that next tree over to the right. I saw him, I think I saw him moving and he got one. You see what I'm talking about? That green tree?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, there's one low, one high, and then him.
Hey, he's right there somewhere.
Hey, let's not screw this up. I done screwed up today. He's on the ground. Maybe. He's in that pond. Yeah, that's it. Joey done snooped him out. He ought to pitch to the point of his so they could see it. There he is. Do it. Okay. I think it went like they're all facing. There he goes. Other side here. He's going to go to that other guy on the target and do it every time. God. Yep. Huh? Yeah, he's strutting. If he gets to that hill, he can see over here. They just got to get within 100 of it before they break. I said if they'll get within 100 of it, they'll probably break. Yeah.
And then in the bottom coming on the fence down there.
Right by that oak tree, Joey. In our field, on our side of the fence.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
There's another one behind it. see the strutter? You got him?
I'd rather have one than have two.
I promise I was not being a crappy buddy. I was waiting.
No, I was sitting there saying, shoot him. What you waiting on?
I just knew Joey, we was gonna have tree, and I'm like, dude.
I was just wanting to kill one.
I was like, wait, look, this other one was in my ear hole right here. You see this tree?
Yeah.
He was standing right here looking at me.
I could see him.
I promise, Keith. I was waiting,
I was
buddy.
waiting. I'd have done shot.
Well, I could see the other's head, and I was like, man, I'm gonna wait.
So y'all can see him?
Yeah, the whole time.
Okay, I didn't know if you could see him, but I was like, he is right here behind me.
I figured he'd have come up there and jumped on him now.
Roosted was roasted, boys. Thank you, John.
Good job, buddy.
Right before the rain started. Hey, we got Johnson, thank you, brother.
I'm gonna tell you, North Alabama got some pretty views, boy. That was a show choir this morning. Oh, thank you, Lord. Whew. Yeah, he is. That feeling right there never get old, boy. Or at least I hope it don't.
Oh, it ain't gonna get old.
That was beautiful.
Yep, pretty good spur on it. Oh, black spurs.
Yep. Look at the beard.
He had a rope on him.
Double beard, John. I'm just kidding.
John said he ain't
John
never
said,
killed a double beard.
he said out of all the turkeys up here he killed, he's never killed a double beard. He's sitting there pretty common. He got a rope though.
Yes, he does. He ain't got two, but he got one good one.
John, thank you, buddy.
Absolutely. I enjoyed it.
We said the same thing, and
John, thank you. We sure appreciate it.
As always.
hey, who would have thought a friendship would have led to hunting together would have led being with us in the real estate.
Yep.
I love it. I love it.
Alabama Slammer. Roosted was roasted, boys.
Yep. Don't get no better.
Hunt information provided by Southern Ag Credit, the premier lender for all your land financing needs.